What's up guys, today I'm going to show you my new alternate build of the Lego 2025 U-Wing, the AT Hauler. The free high quality instructions are up on Rebrickable right now. If you don't recognize the ship, it's from Star Wars Solo. The ship is used by the Empire to transport cargo or walkers. Surprisingly, Lego actually made a set of this ship back in 2018. But now it's a bit easier to get one with this alternate build. The ship has these long gantry arms that are on ball joints to add a lot of posability. It makes the ship a bit unwieldy to handle, but it's the best I could do with the parts available. As long as you don't swoosh too hard, they stay in place. Overall, I think the ship turned out pretty good. This half circle worked really well for the viewports, and I like how I used brackets to make the scaffolding on the bottom. I also like the claws at the tip of the arms. I was able to include an interior on this mock. The roof comes off in 2 sections, and you can fit a pilot in the front and 5 or 6 minifigures in the back. The pilot has to sit, but everybody else has room to stand. I'm honestly surprised there's that much space back there. Like I said, besides the arms flopping around a bit, this is a pretty swooshable model. Different sections will come off if you tug them a lot, but I'm happy with how stable it is. The best place to pick it up from is the bottom, but just make sure you don't grab it in the middle right here because it will fall apart. Anyway, if you want to build it yourself, go check out those instructions and I'll see you next time.